Welcome to the HubSpot Newsletter Implementation Guide. This video covers the essential step-by-step methodology for setting up active lists and subscription types, along with key workflow automations to optimize your email marketing. Let's get started. Our core objective is to build a scalable, legal compliant, and fully automated foundation for your newsletter distribution within HubSpot. First, we established our opt-in infrastructure. Define a monthly newsletter subscription type in your settings, then create a lead capture form. Be sure to enable GDPR settings to automatically opt in contacts upon submission. Next, we create a dynamic active list. By setting the filters to subscribed for your specific newsletter, HubSpot will automatically manage your audience. Then you can craft and dispatch your emails using this list as your primary target. If you are bringing in legacy contacts from tools like MailChimp or CSV files, this migration process will help you import them smoothly into your new HubSpot ecosystem. To import legacy contacts, start by cleaning your CSV file. During the import process, ensure you map the columns correctly and toggle the Update Communication Subscription settings to maintain your legal basis for contact. Now let's look at high-impact automations. We will implement 4 specific workflows to protect your domain deliverability while nurturing your new leads into sales opportunities. First, set up a double opt-in workflow to verify new subscribers. Second, create a welcome sequence that triggers immediately upon list membership, providing value through a series of timed follow-up emails. Third, implement sales notifications for high-value leads. When a contact meets specific criteria, the system can automatically assign them to a sales rep, send an internal alert, and create a follow-up task. Finally, manage list hygiene to protect your sender reputation. Automatically suppress unengaged contacts or trigger a re-engagement breakup email to confirm interest before removing them from your list. This strategy matrix summarizes the workflows we've covered: double opt-in, welcome series, sales notifications, and list hygiene. Each plays a critical role in your overall email marketing architecture. You are now ready to deploy your active list and workflow architecture in your HubSpot portal. For further documentation, visit HubSpot.com.
This video utilized resources from HubSpot and Pipedrive. Thank you for following along with this implementation guide.